the engine bus was activated remotely. A Teensy M7 microcontroller switches on the bus upon receiving a serial command, sent through a long Cat6 cable from the control station. This system also relays telemetry back from the engine for monitoring and logging purposes. The Teensy then receives additional arming commands via an isolated radio system. Once all arming conditions are satisfied, the M7 starts probing voltages at different points in the system. It monitors the main and only battery powering the entire system, a 12S, 50.4 volt, 7 amp hour pack for this test. When the voltage falls below a certain threshold, the M7 initiates an engine startup routine. It opens a solenoid fuel valve and commands the diesel-burning microturbine genset to auto-start. The logic system will pause until the engine idle RPM and the full bridge rectifier voltage are stabilized. Subsequently, an engine throttle control PID loop takes charge, throttling up and maintaining the necessary full bridge rectifier voltage to activate a 52-volt 62A switch mode power supply for this half-duplex test, approximately 3,000 watts at 12S. Once the power supplies become operational, a secondary PID loop, in conjunction with an electromechanical trim system utilizing an Allegro 100 amp current sensor, regulates the voltage of the power supplies. This regulation limits the current to the main battery pack and the main unmanned vehicle bus. At this point, I incrementally increase the charge rate from 5 amps to 10 amps, then to 15 amps, reduce it back to 10 amps, before raising it to 18 amps, 20 amps, 25 amps, and peaking at 28 amps for the initial fully autonomous charge cycle, which is approximately 1,400 watts 12S. Once the battery attains a charged state voltage set at 90% for safety on the initial charge test, the M7 remotely shuts down the power supplies, disconnects all relays, idles, and shuts down the engine. Charge complete. Success on the first charge test with a 1,400 watt peak. The goal is to reach 3 kilowatts, followed by a system upgrade for full duplex 6 kilowatts. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more project updates.